The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Legislative Procedure. Article 110. Definition of money bills. 1. For the purposes of this chapter, a bill shall be deemed to be a money bill, if it contains only provisions dealing with, all or any of the following matters, namely: a. The imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax. b. The regulation of the borrowing of money, or the giving of any guarantee by the Government of India, or the amendment of the law, with respect to any financial obligations undertaken, or to be undertaken, by the Government of India. c. The custody of the Consolidated Fund, or the Contingency Fund of India, the payment of monies into, or the withdrawal of monies from, any such fund. d. The appropriation of monies out of the Consolidated Fund of India. a. The declaring of any expenditure, to be expenditure charged on, the Consolidated Fund of India, or the increasing of the amount of any such expenditure. f. The receipt of money, on account of the Consolidated Fund of India, or the Public Account of India, or the custody or issue of such money, or the audit of the accounts of the Union, or of a state, or g. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified in subclauses A to F. 2. A bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill, by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines, or other pecuniary penalties, or for the demand or payment of fees for licenses, or fees for services rendered, or by reason that it provides for the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority, or body for local purposes. 3. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the House of the People thereon shall be final. 4. There shall be endorsed, on every money bill, when it is transmitted to the Council of States, under Article 109, and when it is presented to the President for assent, under Article 111, the certificate of the Speaker of the House of the People, signed by him that it is a money bill.